you think you know when Pirates of the Caribbean first opened up? Do you know where Big Thunder Mountain is? Grab your Mickey ears and put on that seatbelt. Time to find out on the Disneyland Trivia Tour presented by Honda. May, Dylan, Kristen, how are you? Cleo, nice to meet you. Cerise, Sharon, Michael, Akeem, Wesley, what's up? It's good to see you guys. Noah, nice to meet you guys. I heard you guys know a lot about Disneyland.
Yeah, all of it.
All right, well, we're gonna test all three of you with some Disneyland trivia today.
Feels right.
Let me show you what I pulled up in, though. This is the 2023 Honda Pilot TrailSport.
That's you.
This thing is loaded. Leather seats, third row seating, USB Type-C port in the back, wireless charging pad in it, huge infotainment screen. You guys ready?
Yeah, we ready.
Let's go. Let's do it. Come on.
Let's go.
They say they know Disneyland trivia. We'll see.
Oh, wow.
All the space.
Seatbelts, party people.
All right, here we go. Which one is the bigger brother, Akeem or Wesley?
You guess, Cleo. Which one?
Can you guess?
I'm gonna go with Akeem.
Ah, you got it. Wow. Wow.
All right, first question out of the gate for you guys. Which Disney legend is voicing the lead singing bust at Disney's Haunted Mansion attraction?
Your favorite.
Thurl Ravenscroft. Final answer.
That is correct. Thurl Ravenscroft. Can you finish this lyric? Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how.
Sing it again.
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how.
No, I don't.
Nothing?
Something could go wrong, but it won't. So nothing can stop us now.
Okay. But the correct answer is we're gonna make it happen.
We're
Right?
gonna make it happen.
But I have to give a point to Kristen for actually completing the lyric with the Mickey voice on.
Whoa.
Yes, you get a point for that.
That's not fair.
What is the name of the park which Mickey and Minnie are heading to in Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway?
Toontown. You don't even need to ask us. Lock it in.
Lock it
Are you
in,
gonna
babe.
trick us with something like it's something else? It's Toontown.
It's Toontown. Just say yes.
I don't know. He said park and you saying town. So I don't know.
It's Toontown in the back.
I don't know. His face is not giving.
Are we confirming that as an answer?
Yeah.
Yes.
Are we
Lock
confirming
it
that?
Yeah.
Confirmed.
Yes. Confirmed.
That is incorrect.
I told you you were saying
It's
town.
Run
he was
Amok
saying
Park. Would you like me to continue?
Yeah.
Minnie Mouse is often seen sporting what pattern?
Polka dots.
Yeah. That's classic.
Polka dots. No debate.
I got it
No, I did. I did. Look at that. No.
She rocks the dot.
She does rock the dot.
Lock that in.
Polka dots.
Obviously, it's polka dots. I mean, obviously, it's polka dots. What was the first synchronized sound cartoon in which Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse made their debut?
I believe I know the answer.
We know this. We learned this.
Do we know this?
I don't know this. Y'all might know this.
What is it? Merry-go-round?
It's not merry-go-round.
Mickey's Clubhouse?
No, this is where it all began.
Obviously not Steamboat Willie.
A Small World.
No.
Perfect Picnic?
It is not. I'll give you guys a hint. It's in black and white. Mickey has on a special hat that would make him a captain.
It is Steamboat Willie.
Is it?
Mickey Steamboat?
10 seconds.
Ah, Steamboat Willie.
Final answer.
That is correct. Steamboat Willie. What is Donald Duck's full name?
Oh, I know. I just. Hold on.
Oh.
What's that man's name?
Say it.
I don't know.
Say something.
Like, I want to be like Caiaphas, like in the middle. You know, like, I don't know. Like,
It starts with an F.
Furnace.
Fernando.
Donald Frank Duck.
Ferdinand.
Nope.
Finny.
Nope.
Felipe.
Nope.
Frankenfurter.
5 seconds on the board.
Flan.
And,
Flim.
and,
Blonder.
and.
Is it Donald Fauntleroy Duck?
Is it? Maydale, I'm asking you.
It's the name.
You both are the first people to ever get that question right. Thank you. Donald Fauntleroy Duck.
I never met anybody named Fauntleroy.
Now you gotta imagine him saying his name like that. Actually, we got one more question for you guys. Which automotive company is the official vehicle of the Disneyland Resort? 3, 2, 1.
Honda.
Honda.
Gotta be Honda.
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 The power of dreams.
Lock
There
it
it
in.
is. That's right. Honda is the current automotive sponsor of Disneyland. I want to thank you for playing the Disneyland Trivia Tour with me today.
Right.
Thank you guys
Appreciate
so
it.
much. I have amazing news for you all. After competing,
There's a prize?
there is a prize. Each one of you gets a Disneyland Park Hopper ticket.
Disneyland.
Yeah. Congratulations to all of you.
Hopper tickets. What? Could I have this space on her?
What an amazing day. Disneyland Trivia Tour presented by Honda. I had so much fun with all of my fellow Disney fanatics on the way to Disneyland. I dropped them off and they're probably already in the park. So I'm gonna go park now and then I'll see you guys in there.